So hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'll teach about RMDIR. So that will be RMDIR. That it is self-explanatory. That will be remove directory. Remove directory, which will remove the directory. So the syntax will look like this. Options and so this will be the syntax for remove directory. Let's use remove directory. The first thing remove directory can do with using p remove directory. What is this p? Let's do ls. Let's go for car. Let's do ls for car. Sorry. Yeah. See, rmdir p car slash company slash model. So in the last video we have created many subdirectories, right? Inside this car we have created company directory and a model directory inside that company directory. So let's say that you need to delete these three directories at a time. So we need to use p. That will be that is actually called a parent. Okay, so if I press enter, that will be deleted. Let's see, so there is no car directory, so it is the company and the model also is deleted. Instead of using -p, you can also use parents. You can also use parent. This will also work the same way as -p will work. The next will be using -v. What is this -v? So let's say that I need to delete something, but after deleting, that command will be vanished. So I forget what actually I did it. So if I since we created light one directory in the last video, let me delete that directory now. So remove directory -v, that will be verbose, that is called verbose. So let's press enter. So it's actually nothing but it will just display what action it is doing, what is actually doing. Like I am deleting this, I am removing directory called light1, so it is just displaying it. Instead of using -v, you can use verbose also. Verbose. Let me delete another directory, that will be light2. Yeah, it will also do the same thing. Okay, so the next argument will be using rmdir. Ignore fail on non empty. So what is this says? So basically let's say that I'll open another terminal. Sorry for that. I'll do it in this terminal itself. Let's say that you have let me go inside file directories, then let me do ls. So there is nothing. I'll create a directory called some cat. Okay, the directory is created. Let me come back to home directory. Let me try to delete that files directory. It says directory not empty. That means this file directory has another directory called cat. So instead of, if you need to delete this directory, you need to first delete this directory. Okay, so that is how it works, because it is just warning us that there is some important files or important folder is there. So don't try to delete it without deleting the inside directory, so that you might lose any important files or something like that. So for what overtaking this, or for overcoming this, we use that was too long, right? Let me write it again. That will be ignore fail on non empty. So let me say that I need to delete a files. Yeah, unrecognized options. Ignore fail on non empty. Let's check man page. Remove directory. Yeah, it says the same thing. Ignore false on. Let me copy this. No, it's not empty. Let me remove directory and paste that. So if you need to paste that, you need to use Yeah, I pasted that. Then I'm saying I need to delete file directory. Let me press enter. Yeah, I did a small mistake, I guess. Okay, so let me see the files. This already is there. Let me go inside files or do. Yeah, let me try it again. That will be a remove directory and paste it. Then files. Now the files directory is also there. So it is basically saying that ignore that what you call error. Ignore that error what you're getting at. Okay, these are the arguments, and if you don't remember all the arguments, you can just type L. It will also help you to, it will guide you what and all the arguments can be used. So this is all up guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.